You're rolling.
So we've got a VG ute, V6 5-speed. That little body's got heaps of rego, temporary Nixie rego. Got 18-inch mag wheels. It's got a few stone chips and scratches on it through the body. Reasonably straight. No major dents. A couple of scratches. It's got a tonneau cover. It's got a dent on the tailgate. Around this side here, it's straight, but it's like a scratch that runs down here, along the side of it. A couple of chips. A couple more chips here. And the front bar's got a bit of a crack on the corner. Just here, and stone chips over that in the bonnet. Got Calais seats, it's got the tacho dash, CD player. Five-speed manual, CD, sports steering wheel. Got a really good running engine, got the cold air intake, HSV cold air intake. Runs really well, 5-speed runs really good. Give it a rev. Take it for a drive.